over a first-of-its-kind monopoly-busting law that prohibits pharmacy benefit managers from owning their own pharmacies. CVS, Express Scripts, and now the main lobby representing PBMs are asking federal courts to intervene. Channel 7's Andrew Mobley spoke with Arkansas pharmacists and patients for their perspective. Andrew.
With the signing of Act 624 into law, Arkansas became the first state in the country to attempt to put an end to the unethical business practices PBMs have widely been accused of. In a 2024 report, the Federal Trade Commission said that PBMs like CVS and Express Scripts, which set drug prices and reimbursement rates not only for their own pharmacies but for their competitors, are inflating drug costs and squeezing local pharmacies that aren't affiliated with them. Documents in the FTC report revealed that not only did one PBM price a life-saving cancer drug at $19,200 through its mail-order pharmacy when it could be bought for $97 at Walgreens, but it also steered patients away from cheaper unaffiliated options toward their mail-order pharmacy.
You cannot read those reports or the summaries and not be disgusted. They are marking up prices thousands and thousands of %.
We would not do business with the specialty pharmacy we're using if we had the choice.
Henriksen, whose son requires a regular supply of growth hormones because of a deficiency, has no choice but to use a specialty pharmacy owned by a PBM that he says continually lets his family down.
Customer service is really poor. Their willingness to work with the hospitals to get the prior authorizations filled it's painful to watch. You definitely feel like a number. You don't feel like a valued customer. And every year it seems like the price of drugs, especially specialty and branded drugs, have gone up.
Last month, the FTC filed a lawsuit against the three largest PBMs for engaging in anti-competitive and unfair rebating practices that have artificially inflated the price of insulin. On the policy side of things, in lieu of action by federal lawmakers, Arkansas is leading the charge in tackling PBM issues.
The state can't wait on D.C. States have their own rights. The Arkansas Constitution actually does not allow monopolies. And I'm proud of the legislature, appreciative of Governor Sanders for putting a stop to the monopolistic practices.
Arkansas's Act 624 forces pharmacy benefit managers to choose between operating as a PBM or owning pharmacies, potentially leading chains like CVS to close stores. While some praise the law, the fight continues. CVS, Express Scripts, and their trade group have filed lawsuits to block it, arguing it violates the U.S. Constitution's Commerce and Equal Protection clauses by unfairly burdening interstate commerce and disadvantaging certain companies.
It is a line in the sand moment to stop anti-competitive acts, and it will be a precedent-setting case for what other states will do.
No court dates have been set yet, but the battle lines are drawn and the nation is watching. On your side, I'm Andrew Mobley.